I am 100% sure, 100% sure that if Mohomagan was winning the game 2-1, 2-1 for Mohomagan, and there is a push of Sahal in our box to Nanda, the referee whistle fault, and the game is going on.
নমস্কার দর্শক বন্ধুরা, এক্সট্রা টাইম বাংলায় আপনাদের আরও একবার স্বাগত। আমি রৌনক এবং এই মুহূর্তে আমি রয়েছি যুবভারতী ক্রীড়াঙ্গনের ঠিক বিবেকানন্দ মূর্তির সামনে। এবং কী জন্য রয়েছি অবশ্যই আপনারা জানেন, ডার্বি কিন্তু এখন অতীত এবং আগামী 10ই ফেব্রুয়ারি নর্থ ইস্ট ইউনাইটেডের বিরুদ্ধে অ্যাবে ম্যাচ খেলতে যাচ্ছে ইস্টবেঙ্গল দল। এবং সেই ম্যাচের জন্যে এদিন সাংবাদিক সম্মেলনে উপস্থিত ছিলেন ইস্টবেঙ্গল হেড কোচ কার্লোস কোয়াদ্রাত এবং ইস্টবেঙ্গলের নতুন বিদেশি ভিক্টর ভাস্কেজ। এবং যেমনটা আপনারা ভিডিও শুরুতেই দেখতে পেলেন, কোচ কার্লোস কোয়াদ্রাত ডার্বি অতীত হলেও কিন্তু ডার্বির রেশ সেটা কিন্তু তার মধ্যে থেকে এখনও যায়নি। এবং ডার্বি ম্যাচের কিছু সিদ্ধান্ত, রেফারির সিদ্ধান্ত কিন্তু তিনি মেনে নিতে পারছেন না। এবং সেই প্রসঙ্গ টেনে তিনি বলেছেন যে যদি ইস্টবেঙ্গলের জায়গায় মোহনবাগান দল 87 মিনিট অবধি 2-1 গোলে এগিয়ে থাকতো এবং সেখানে যদি নন্দর জায়গায় সাহাল যদি ফাউল হতেন, তাহলে কিন্তু সঙ্গে সঙ্গে রেফারি ফাউল দিতেন এবং সেখান থেকে কিন্তু গোলটা পেত না ইস্টবেঙ্গল। অর্থাৎ ইস্টবেঙ্গলের ম্যাচটা জেতা উচিত ছিল, এমনটাই মনে করছেন কার্লোস কোয়াদ্রাত। এবং আপনারা যদি দেখেন আইএসএলের শেষ কিছু ম্যাচে হয়তো অপরাজিত ইস্টবেঙ্গল দল, কিন্তু তার মধ্যে বেশিরভাগ ম্যাচই কিন্তু ড্র হয়েছে এবং একটিমাত্র ম্যাচ জয়। তো সেই নিয়ে প্রশ্ন করা হলেই কিন্তু তিনি এই রেফারির সিদ্ধান্তের কথা বলেন। তিনি বলছেন দীর্ঘদিন ধরে কিন্তু তিনি ভারতীয় ফুটবলের সাথে কাজ করছেন এবং সেখানে রেফারির সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়ে কিন্তু তিনি ওয়াকিবহাল এবং এই সিদ্ধান্ত নতুন নয়। তবে তিনি কিন্তু মোহনবাগান খেলোয়াড় বা মোহনবাগান দলকে নিয়ে কোনো রকম কুমন্তব্য করেননি। তিনি বারংবার এটাই বোঝানোর চেষ্টা করেছেন রেফারির মান কিন্তু উন্নতি করতেই হবে। এবং তার সাথে ভিক্টর ভাস্কেজ এবং তার সাথে ফেলিসিও, এই যে বিদেশি এসছেন তাদের দুজনকে নিয়ে কিন্তু ইতিবাচক কোচ কার্লোস কোয়াদ্রাত, কারণ তিনি মনে করেন দলে আক্রমণ ভাগে কিছু খামতি রয়েছে এবং সেই খামতি এই দুই বিদেশি অভিজ্ঞ বিদেশি ফরওয়ার্ড এবং মিডফিল্ডার, অ্যাটাকিং মিডফিল্ডার কিন্তু মিটিয়ে দিতে পারেন। তো সব মিলিয়ে কোয়াদ্রাত কি বলছেন চলুন শুনে নিই।
Last game should be 3 points for us, and that fault that was not visual to us means that we lost 2 points in the game. So I have been working in Indian football from a long time, from 2016, and I can see how it works. I have seen a lot of things, and I can say that when one referee has whistled one penalty for you, for your team, even if there is another action that is penalty, normally they prefer to watch to another side and they don't whistle a second penalty for you. I have seen that when you receive a red card, your team receives a red card, a lot of decisions in the game finally get that the other team is also receiving a red card. So there is a kind of compensation rule that I don't know why does it exist, because I never saw that in another country that protects the team that is losing, and it makes no sense. The referees should whistle what they see, not to judge the situation, try to protect the weak team in the match. I am 100% sure that if Mohomagan was winning the game 2-1 for Mohomagan, and there is a push of Sahal in our box to Nanda, the referee whistle fault, and the game is going on 2-1 in favor of Mohomagan. I am 100% sure that if Mohomagan is winning 2-1 and Petratos push Sayal, Petratos receive a card. But because the team is losing, they are making things to keep with the game on. It makes no sense. So very, very unhappy, because it has been a lot of games that we have reached the last moments of the game, with equality, like our game here against Odisha, and because it's a draw, it looks that, okay, it's a draw, everybody happy. And they are not whistling a clear penalty that it happens 2 times against Odisha. So he has, the referee of the game, 2 opportunities to issue penalty in the last moments of the game. But, okay, a draw is enough. But a draw is not enough for us, because we only have 2 victories. And it has been 3-4 games that we should get the 3 points with a decent referee. That if you are losing, you can push a player of the other team and you are not getting a red card. That if you are losing, you can try to make a foul in the opponent's penalty box, and maybe you don't get a whistle. It's crazy that same referee have been whistling thousands of fouls like this in the half of the pitch, in any part of the pitch. And suddenly, because we are winning and the other team is trying to draw, he say play on in an action that all the people disagree that it's a foul. The TV commentators, even journalists from Mohun Bagan, I have read in the media, in the newspapers, journalists saying it was a clear fall from Sahal to Landa. So the only person that has to make the whistle that all the stadium have watched is the person that say play on in a circumstance that is never play on. So it's something that Indian football have to improve in that. It's very clear. We are repeating that season after season, but nothing is happening. And we are lucky that the league is winning in quality. There is our club, 1 player from Major League, 1 player for Super League China are coming because they have reason that India is going up in football. They are doing good things in the Super League already 10 years. That's wonderful. But then you see how the referees are managing games. Not performing as my expectations.
Yeah.
No, the players are performing over my expectations. They're doing a wonderful season. I'm very happy with the players. We have been reaching to finals, and we should be in playoff positions at the moment in normal conditions. So I think that it's an excellent season that my players are doing. I say in my first press conference that I'm never going to go for excuses. So I'm not saying that referees are the reason because we are not good in the playoff. I am saying that we as a club, we are doing a lot of things. The team is working well. We are in every game having the chances to win the game. And we are in a position that we should have more points. Sometimes it's for the decisions that not are in our circumstances. Sometimes it's for our mistakes. That's clear. So we are going to keep with the plan that is to try to be competitive. Until now, in 22 games, we have been losing only 4 games, so it means that the team is competitive. But as I was talking in the last press conference, we were struggling in the offensive part of the game because we were scoring not enough goals to make the difference bigger. So then you are not in the last moment of the game only with 1 goal difference, you are 2 goals difference, you have a caution, and then decisions are not so important. So that's why we have changed some players in our team. That's the reason because we have Victor and Felicio here now. But we think that they are going to give us more numbers in attack. But at the same time, we are also promoting some youngsters like Sayan, like Bisu, that they are also giving us good chances to be dangerous in attack. So this is a work under construction. We are from the first day trying to have a team that can fight for being the highest classes of the competitions. Until now we have been in 2 finals, and until now we have shown against the champions of the last season, like Mohun Bagan, like Mumbai, like Odisha, who was champion in Super Cup. We have shown them that hey, we were the champions, but we are here, and we have been winning some of the games. We have been putting them in trouble. So I'm very happy that before the last match, there was not a clear favorite. For first time in 5 years, maybe, there was not a clear favorite between Mohun Bagan and East Bengal. And the game, the things happening in the game, show that we were the team who should win the 3 points.
extra time.
লেটেস্ট নিউজ আর এক্সক্লুসিভ ভিডিওর সঙ্গে আপডেট থাকতে এখনই সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করতে ভুলবেন না যেন।